To create a new kit, click on Add New Kit Parts. Enter an SKU number or reference and add a description of the kit. You can select a product group from the user-defined list if you are using groups. You can add a new one if needed. Add a profile if required. Again, there is a user-managed list, and you can add new ones if needed. If this kit is superseded by another part or kit, you can select it here. Add a product reference if required. You can add an image for the kit by clicking Change in the top right corner. This allows you to search your files for an image to upload. Add a commodity code if required. The stock item type is toggled onto kit by default. The pricing for cost price, list price, and selling price will be built up when you add individual parts to the kit later. Select an appropriate sales analysis code, a purchase analysis code, a VAT code and a sales order discount group. Again, these have user-managed lists that you can select from or add to. Select a branch or VAN location for the stock and then add any relevant notes into the free text box. You are now ready to add the individual parts to the kit. Scroll down to Kit Parts and click Add. You can use the filters to narrow your search within your parts list if required. Select the individual parts by ticking the buttons on the left. Then select a quantity for each item. Part information is then pulled into the table. You can edit quantities if needed, and remove items using the action tray. Now, if you scroll back up to the pricing information, you can see that has now been populated. The list price and selling price fields are editable, so can be adjusted. For instance, if you are offering a discounted rate for selling the items bundled as a kit,